Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come from my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the casket out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned, didn't chiller. My face blue still, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Poppy do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the dead see here. We the new Israel, it's real. God really lives here, watch the sin here. Way more to tell, we begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me, sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me, my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the stats. Why would I contracts when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gonna direct you than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
What's goody? Good morning, happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are well. Welcome in, welcome in. It's a new day. Y'all ready to rock? Z Gamer is ready to rock. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Travis? What's good, AJ? What up, Mr. Lopez? Yeah, PM Magnifico in the house. What up, Engineer 14? Kelvin, what's good, Kelvin? How are you, brother? 3 Ants in the building. What up, Gregski? What up, Adam 8 Figs? Louis G in the house. What up, Louis G? What's good? What's good? What up, Nate G? We got Louis G, Nate G. What's goody? How you guys feeling? Happy Wednesday. Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome. What's up, Chala? Let me just send this out. Alrighty, let's share the screen and let's get started. What up, J Mac? Richard Lewis in the house. What up, Mr. Lopez? What up, Captain? Bear Billa. What up, Bear Billa? Bear Billa. What up, Andrew? Good morning, BTC. Good morning, Mike Go. What up, what up? How y'all feeling? Clubhouse, Clubhouse. Zoom link. All right. Zoom link is out. We are ready to go, rock and roll, FOMC day. Hope you guys are well. Welcome in, welcome in. Let's get started. Did I share my screen? Yes. Let's bring this. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome. All right. Cool. I think we're good to go. Let's get started. Let me pray for you guys, and then let's rock and roll here. Let me just pray real quick. Let me lower the music, and let's bless this day here ahead of us, eh? All right, Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day, Lord. We thank you that we can rejoice in it, knowing that all good things come from above, Lord. We thank you for these blessings. We thank you for these gifts. If we're ungrateful, Lord, let us have a look around and see all the bread in our boat, Lord, all the things that we have to be thankful for. We ask for nothing here today, Lord. We just purely thank you that we could sit in your presence, Lord. We thank you for going before us, blessing this session, bless this day, Lord, as people come in and out, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen, amen. Amen. Welcome. Give the stream a like if you haven't liked the stream yet. Let's go ahead and get this party started. We are a little bit behind here, but we're gonna make up for time. So let's go ahead and open up the news here. Today is what is today? Today is the 18th, right? Yeah, September 18th. It is Wednesday. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, for us to be professionals, and for us to come in and observe these markets, man. You know, just take them for what they are. And we have a little key in these markets that lets us get in, and if the right door shows up, we can open the right key and we can get ourselves in a position. But other than that, we're just here to observe today and see how it goes, right? So let's go ahead and take a look. Again, it is Wednesday here. You do have some 8:30 news coming out, which is just like yellow folder, orange folder stuff, building permits. You will have crude oil inventories coming in towards the tail end of the session as well, and then later on in the afternoon is going to be the big moves here, right? So this is going to be your FOMC. This is where we're going to get supposedly word on the rate cuts. We'll see how all that goes here. That's going to be later on this afternoon. We will be streaming that live in the clubhouse, and we'll hear from Papa Pal and see what he's got to say. Yeah, so that should be very interesting a little bit later. There should be lots of movement going on, later on to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what's up, Dominic? What up, OGH? Billy's lost in the building. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Good morning, Travis. What up, LeGrand? Yeah, so that's about it here for the news. Let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's jump into see what we got price action wise, see what we can plan out here for this lovely Wednesday. All right, if you haven't gave the stream a like, give the stream a like, man. I think you guys left me on like 490 yesterday or something, the day before, man. Hook it up. 500, man. 500. Man, we be having like 1,300 people here. All right. Yo, what's up, Buzz Blab? Good morning, Willie. Good morning, good morning. What up, SG80? All right, who's ready for a breakdown? You guys ready to break this thing down and chop it up a bit? Have you guys liked the stream? I'm going to trust your word for it that you've liked the stream. No music for Zoom, music for Zoom. Boom. You guys are good? Cool. You guys good? Good, good? All right. What's up, baby Mike? All right, let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, and let's see what we got going on. So yesterday we did close. Let me lower this music a bit. We did close bearish here yesterday, right? So ultimately we have created a resistance. Okay, that should be good. So ultimately we've created this resistance here by yesterday's daily candle closure. Let's track back a few days. You had this candle burst out of the range here, ended up closing with no top wick. This next candle did its thing, and then we kind of started dying off from there. And then yesterday we closed, which was yesterday was what, Tuesday we closed bearish, right? So that bearish closure allows us to say, okay, well, we have a resistance formed here now, and maybe we can begin to pull back on the daily candle. So could we be making a top wick, right, for today's candle to drive down here later on and give us that pullback in which we're all looking for here on gold? So we'll see. We haven't really been able to flip and do much yet. We did have a nice push down there in London session, but other than that, we came right back up towards the tail end of London, it looks like. So let's go see what all this looks like on the 4-hour chart here. Let's plan our session bias and see what we got going on. So all right, cool. I haven't seen any of this yet. So we did create support here on the 4-hour chart. right here. You did kind of close there with no bottom wick. So very interesting. This 4-hour candle is now on the run back up towards the previous range in which it left, which is up here. Right? If we kind of color coordinate these, this would be like your white range. This would be like your green range, right? And then below there you have whatever your yellow range. So price right now is trying to beeline and make a run for that white range again. What we're going to see is, are we going to push through and close back in the white range, or will we begin to reject that area, right? Because if we are rejecting, then most likely this is going to be our daily top wick for later on the push down for that daily candle to, you know, continue running bearish here today. But that's only if we begin to reject these levels, right? Other than that, you know, just like we did last time, we rejected here. Other than that, we may just, you know, want to push up here and continue running bullish today. So I am open for both buys and sells here on the day. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this big juice box looks like on the 1 hour time frame, so we can see where we're at. So okay, cool. So 1 hour is running into this level of resistance here, right? So this is kind of like your zone that you're playing right now. We may wick in there, we may break this high and begin to wick in that zone, but we are coming into some sort of resistance levels, right? As you can see right here to the left hand side, you've got resistance, you got resistance, you have resistance, and you got all that right ahead of us, right? So we are kind of starting to run into that. We'll see what happens when we break that high there and see where we begin to go. But overall, 1 hour is pretty bullish here. We've been moving up since that support. Candle close with no wick, probably nothing you could do about that. Excuse me, let this candle go, and now we tap into that resistance level. So same thing with the 30-minute. Let's go ahead and wait. Let's see how we react towards these zones right here, and if we do begin to, you know, kind of slow up, then this is where we may have an opportunity to look for some sort of fade coming in. So that is the morning so far, man. Just been pushing up since 5:30 a.m. Eastern. So it looks like we're kind of coming into this area now. So we'll see what happens in this zone. As you know, last time we came in, we dropped, right? Next time we came in, we began to drop. So when we come in again today, could we see a drop here? So that's kind of like what I'm looking at as of right now. And yeah, let's see where we go. So we don't really have much price action in terms of ranges right now. We're kind of just ripping up here. But all in all, you do have somewhat of a 30-minute support level right here. And that's what we can kind of look at right now. So really not interested in any buys up here. Just going to see if we can get some sort of fake outs coming in, and then maybe closures back below this 30-minute support. Yeah, 1 hour closes in 17 minutes. Same thing with the 30, same thing with the 15 here. So just going to hang tight, stay in this range for a bit, use it to my advantage, and wait for the next move. Yeah. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's the day. Yo, what up, Paulo? Marco Polo. That's the day, Stephen B. That's the day. It was good to see you in the London session, man. Good to see y'all in the London session. We popped off early in London. Took 3 trades in London. 2 winners, 1 BE. Also took a trade in Asian, which was a winner. What's up, Wokey? Wokey. How you guys feeling today? Everybody good? Chat, how you doing? How are you doing? Don't let me do all the talking here today. I've been talking for 20 hours. What up, Sam, man? What's good? What's good? You're tired? Stephen B is in the house. It's good to be tired sometimes, you know? What up, George Pope? Ecom Dre, what up, Lights Fire? How are you, my man? How are you, my man? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to you, too. Some of you guys caught buys here. Very nice. I think the best buys were probably right here. I was not paying attention though. I think I was taking a nap there at 5:30. Yeah. When's the next meetup in Tampa? I think we're going to do a meetup in October. So late October, I think October 22nd or 3rd. It looks like there's a meetup brewing up there. So, yeah. Stephen B, man. Come on, you acting too bougie here. My guy said, I need an espresso and an IV drip. What are you from, LA? Yo, what's up, Ryan? Sound like some of my LA friends. My Miami friends. Gonna need an espresso and an IV drip ASAP. Young Pipper in the house. What's goody? What's goody? No top wick on the 530 buys. Would I have taken it? Absolutely not. No way. Nope. I wouldn't. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be involved in any of this unless I took it off the 15 celery right here. That was not my move at all. Look at us ripping here. Daily candle firing back up now. Yee. What's up, Dropout Trader? Yanosh in the house. My man Yanosh, don't miss. C Melly. What up, C Melly? What up, Wags? Yeah, so it looks like we're pumping back up here. We'll see what we do as we run into all that resistance. Thoughts on NASDAQ? Let's take a look at NAS here today. NQ. Let's see. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here on NASDAQ as well. So it looks like yesterday you ended up closing bullish. So pretty weak bullish, but bullish in all. You did close with no top wick on that other candle there. So you're right in that resistance level on the NASDAQ. If we're going down to the 4-hour to make things look a bit nicer for us here, we did just have a 4-hour closure, right? We closed bullish here about 2 hours ago, creating this new support, right? It's a little bit higher than this support as well. So you already broke the highs there on the 4-hour. Very interesting. Excuse me. I think if you re-break them, you'll have a good probability of price starting to run up here. So let's see what's going on the 1-hour. So you do have a resistance here. You are rejecting there. So let's see if these rejections are resistances on the 30-minute. This one is. What about on the 15? Yeah, these are your two resistance levels there on the 15-minute. You also have a nice support here and a pretty clean range coming down, right? 155-point move coming down there. Looking at the 4-hour, that also breaks the 4-hour low. So yeah, it's a pretty good range here on the NASDAQ. If you get closures below, you break that 4-hour low, you have a nice clean range coming down here. Very, very clean move. Same thing to the upside, right? So you have a nice clean range coming to the downside here. And then if we move up, we have a very, very nice clean move. I would say, you've got up until this range up here, but these are probably gonna split it up into two ranges there. And all in all, very, very clean moves. So clean moves on the way up, clean moves on the way down here for NASDAQ. So maybe we'll take a stab at it here today if we see some closures that we like. Cool. That's my thoughts on NAS, and we will be back. We'll keep revisiting. GJ, I would, but I don't have pound yen on this. See, I would, but I don't have, you know, pound yen on this chart, on this platform here. But if you send me a chart, I'd love to look at your analysis, and then I'll take a look at it and give you some feedback, my friend. Good old GJ. Send me a chart on GJ just so I can say hello and see how she's doing. I would appreciate that. I would really appreciate that. NAS signals coming to you. Yeah, no, it's clean range here today, Mr. Lewis G, Mr. AB Mike, and all my other NASDAQ traders. Travis, how we feeling, man? I was calling for you in London. I know you were there subconsciously. I know you were there, man. I was saying, Travis, get ready. It's almost time for school. Nah, you didn't miss it. You didn't miss the move. You were sleeping. You were sleeping, man. I said, Travis, your cereal's ready. We had Captain Crunch with berries all ready for you, bro. It got all soggy, man. You missed it. Yeah, man, this looks good. Price action looks really good here today. You got your 4-hour highs and lows too, by the way, in this range. So this looks really, really good. Overall, the daily, daily's a little troublesome, not gonna lie. You could go either way here. You know, if you break through those lows on the daily, you might get a drop here today. But all in all, these are very clean ranges. I like what I see. Let's go back to gold though. Oh, nice. Beautiful rejection there. Lovely. Yeah, 15 close with no wick at the top. Right down we go. So we are rejecting that 1 hour, 30-minute resistance. That overall zone right there. That's why I drew that zone. I want to continue to draw your attention to what I believe is these liquidity zones now, where fake outs and all that are prone. That's one thing I've been noticing here, and no different today. So we wicked up in there, and we'll see if we actually reject it off the closure. Hey, yo, George VDM rating the chat right now. Rating. Please, no spamming. Disrespectful to your chat mates. Where's Nightbot? Get him, Nightbot. Get him. Sick him. Sick him. Spamming is disrespectful to your chat friends. Oh, man. It's a mod flood. Mod squad flood. Green, do something about this. Green, don't just stand there. Do something about this. Yo, what up, AJ? Zipper in the house. Yeah, shout out to the mod squad. Shout out to the mod squad. Best mods on the internet, eh? They don't make them like this out there. Good morning, Melvin. What's up, brother? What's up, Juan? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hey, yo, Mossad, bro. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
No negative energy.
You're not that
Get
guy,
it
pal.
away
Trust
from me.
You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. What up? What up, DJ Scratches? How you feeling? I'm messing with you, Masad. I love you, bro. Love you, love you, love you. Your high fructose corn syrup is ready. Oh, man. Just what you need for breakfast. I've been in the Asian session, not in London yet. Alright, no worries. London's been a fun session, not gonna lie. It's probably one of my favorite sessions. Been looking forward to it. Yeah. Nice little fadey here. 15-minute, no wick. W. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can consider this a fade for sure. Up in this 1 hour zone there. Looking very good. Very good. You got NY Open coming up here too in 5 minutes. Nice. Yeah, if you guys are in this looks pretty good. I wasn't really looking to fade it here, but this worked out really well. Yeah. W. Let's take a look at that 4 hour now. So the 4 hour is rejecting here, which is good. 4 hour rejection. 1 hour. Do we get a 1 hour fake out? I don't know, but I do know that if the 30-minute starts closing weak bullish, even bearish here, break of those lows at NY Open should be a nice push down. We'll see if Johnny Gems will make it here today. He was clubbing all night with me in the London session. I like fake outs or fades here. Yeah, me too. Yep. Worst case, sells below this support level here on the 30-minute time, 15-minute time frame. That'll be 1 hour breaking the lows there too. Nice job, PM Magnifico. Nice job, Nikki. Yeah, it's nice. Let me see. Yeah, W. Good entry too. Did you enter on the flip or was it like a break of a low? Flip looked good there. Let's take a look. Yeah, nice. Nice. Clubhouse. Okay. Yeah, looks good. 30-minute kind of closing like that inverted celery deal. Yep, might get a push here. Got 2 minutes for NY Open, so we'll see how we do. Any trades last night in London? Yes, we took 3 trades in London session. 3 trades. 3 trades. This was the first one. So 1 hour breakout. Got about 20 pips or so. Nice clean range. Candle broke out. Lots of volume. This was pre-London. And then had a break-even trade. And then had this trade here, which we got entered in on and then kind of went into drawdown, came back down. We closed like no wick. So I waited for that candle to kind of scurry down a little bit, closed the full position there, went and then took a nap. Yeah. Yeah, and then Asian session was buy here. Buy position. All right, 58 seconds here, so we'll see how we do. Looking pretty good so far. Looks like you are going to reject those areas, potentially create this new resistance level. You sent the chart? Okay, cool. We'll take a look at it in just a minute. Come on, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Goldie was playing games in London a little bit. A little bit towards the end there. Yeah, Asian. Yeah, that's right, Project Tour. Yeah, that was a quick one in Asian, man. That was a quick push. All right, so we got a closure here. 15-minute closure looking good. 30-minute closure not looking bad at all. Same thing with the 1 hour here. So let's see if we could attempt to fill this wick on the 30-minute time frame, and then I may be interested here in sell stops on the break of those previous lows. Explain yesterday's Asian trade, the buy position. I think, yeah, we'll explain it. I think it was the 4 hour was opening up, right? About to create a top wick and all that. Yeah, we'll run through it in a minute. Magnus, what's up, big dog? How you feeling? W. Amazing. Amazing. All right, yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop here on the break of these lows. Going to go in with about, let's see, probably like 2 contracts. And then maybe add another 2 at some point while in the position. Yeah, so 2 contracts going in here on the break of these lows. So if we could break them during high volume time, which is 8 a.m., NY open. 1 hour looks pretty good to potentially do a fake out here. 4 hour pullback, and yeah, if those 30 lows break, it looks pretty good. Big rejection here too. Last time we rejected, next candle drove down, closed below, next candle just sold off heavy. Heavy, heavy. This would be a fade right here. So this is going to be a bit of an impulse entry. The idea here is us anticipating that now that we've rejected the zone up here, right, and all this resistance, that if we break those lows, you may start to see this 30-minute candle want to close bearish here, right, creating some sort of resistance at that point, and then begin to continue moving down to retest that zone there. So that's kind of the idea for this position here. If we can move up like we're doing and kind of try and fill the wick a little bit and then break the lows in like the next 10 minutes, that'd be perfect. So let's see if we could take a few minutes to make this up, you know, let's move up here first. Stops, so you're gonna be able to keep stops above either this current candle or this previous candle, which I believe is like 45 pips. Yeah, 45. So whichever one you like. Once you break the previous low, this should be the high at that point, wherever this candle kind of pushes up to. Scotty C. There he is. Big Scott made it to London session. W Scott. W. Best entry, previous 1 hour or previous 30 lows. I'm going to go with the previous 30 lows. Yeah, previous 1 hour is a bit down there. I think if we break our current low and break through the previous low, that we're most likely going to see a push down at that point. So we'll see what happens. We want to see us reject this area again though. So it's good that we went up there, and now if we can start turning around, that'd be great. No all-time high magnets. Yeah. Hey, let me get some water and stuff. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna get you guys an update on the leaderboard here as well. Yes, sir. Closed all the runners. Nice. Yeah. You'll have news coming in here at 2 p.m. Eastern. That'll be the big news today. Be careful shorting gold. I will have my protective stop loss in place. I will be very careful. What's up, 11th hour? What's good? What's good? Did I see someone with 31%? You might have. I haven't seen it since I think Top Dog might have been up 15% last time I looked. Number 2 spot was like 9%. When did I start trading London? About maybe like 3 weeks ago. Once we opened up the clubhouse. Clubhouse opened up. We've been trading London pretty much since. Me in the London. Who's gonna meet me in the London session? Yee. London session's been great, man. We've had a great crew there. Some great help, guys helping me out and up there hosting with me. A lot of good questions, a lot of good knowledge. Yeah, London's been a vibe. 31%, yeah. Clubbing all night. Oh yeah, 15%. Yeah, I think that's you, Shafiq, right? Yeah, Shafiq. 15%, right? Nice job, man. Keep going. Keep up the great work. Man said, how? How? I've been on demo trading for about a month. Okay, I'm still learning. What's your best piece of advice you could share with me? Yeah, so you're on demo, so you just started trading for a month. I would say best piece of advice would just literally be, you know, and I know it sounds cliche, but don't focus on the money, focus on the process, blah, 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 blah. But seriously, like, make sure you have, the only traders that make money are traders that have a system. But not just that they have a system, but they actually stay disciplined to it every single day. So the first thing is like find a system that fits your personality and your style, like that you're looking to pull money from the markets. And then don't worry about any money for like 6-7 months. Just try and be really good. Like pretend as if you were trying out to be a quarterback. And if you kind of were standoutish and they liked you, then they would give you a big deal, right? So the money's there, right? So the money's on the line, the money's on our mind, but we have to do the work, right, to get it. So being disciplined to a system is the byproduct of getting paid, right, in the market. So that's what I would recommend. Screw all the fancy pantsy social media stuff right now. You'll probably get to that point later, but don't focus on that now. Focus on playing the position the best you can, and then the money will follow in the months to come. But right now you'll do work, and that work will yield you results, and those results will come to you in a few months. So whether you're cheating, if you cheat the game for the next couple months, you'll have those type of results, right? But if you really stay disciplined to the plan here, you may not see anything, you know, over the next month or two, but in 5 or 6 months, you will be that trader. So you'll be basically benefiting off of the fruit, you know, from the seeds you planted in these next couple months. Money on the mind, yeah. Whatever, I'm not sure what you do full time, what you do outside of trading, but it's gonna take just as much commitment, right, as it does to, like, you know, do anything good, right? We're talking about making like a lot of money and reading the financial markets here. So it's gonna take hard work, it's gonna take time, but it's definitely possible. And yeah, have fun with it. Have fun with it. Only 17 wins this year? Oh, yeah, I think I made a little spell check there. Yeah. I think it was like 170. I think it was like 178. I gotta go back and look. Oh, damn. Whoops. My bad. $17 wins on the year. A big 17. What a record that would be, huh?
We've always believed that sport has the power.
All right, so 15 closure coming up here in just a minute. I'm actually going to delete this sell stop very quickly. So deleting that right now for the 15 closure in about 1 minute. I don't want this candle to drive down, close with no wick, activate me or something stupid like that. So just gonna move that for now and re-add it in 1 minute. Six, 9, 172. I think it should be, yeah, 172. All right, let's see if that would have acted. No, not yet. $15 ranging. We're gonna have some volume dumping in here in about 24 seconds. Can you feel it? All right, so I'm going to see if this 15 can give us a bit of a two. Look at this. It's going to close with no bottom wick. See that? That's what we avoided right there. So, yeah, so this candle closed with no bottom wick, and that's fine. I will just look to trade underneath that support now. That's fine. Totally fine. Glad we deleted. If it drives, it drives. I'll wait for a new closure. This would be perfect, right? If we can kind of get a candle to close bullish and then another candle to follow that, closing bearish, then we could take our sells here, fill this whole range. Yep. That's what I was trying to avoid. So anytime you see me delete like that with a minute left, it's because I'm trying to avoid that, right? Is that candle closing with no bottom wick right as we get entered in. So I don't care if this thing drives now. I won't consider me missing any sort of move there. Yeah, I'll just wait for a new closure. Yeah, initial fade, nice. Yeah, if you took that initial fade, good job. I think you could probably close partials there with no wick. What's up, Dexter? I use Tradeovate. They're a futures broker. Yeah, pretty good broker. Can I put total trades made in your stats? Yeah, I'm sure we can make that happen. Total trades taken. Yeah, I'm sure we can make it happen. Close full. Nice job, PM Magnifico. Good work, good work. Way to spot that fade without me and all that. Good work, good work. Well, the Zoomers, my bad. Let me open up the Zoom chat. Yeah, I did delete my sell stop. So if you don't want to be in the position, like, because I'm not in it, then I would close here right at break even. If you want to be in the position, hold it, but no wick there. Yeah, I'm just going to wait. 30 minutes still looks really good to drive down though, but that 15 closing right at that little minor level of support with no wick. If it closed there with the wick, that's one thing, but without it and at the minor support there, I'd rather just wait. Yeah, 30 minute 30 closure, right? So coming up, so if you get a 30 closure next, that's where we can maybe look to re-add those sell stops. So a nice 30 closure below would be lovely here. Wait for a top wick. Bam. Same plan. Same plan, man. Yes, exactly. Waiting for some sort of onion setup. Yep, correct. Ideally, if it can close, you know, back below the range too, that'd be great. Love from Bangladesh, my friend. Love from Tampa, Florida, where we're gonna have a flood warning here, it looks like. Holy, don't do it. 75 degrees Fahrenheit, a little on the cooler end this morning, but all in all feels good. Doot, doot. 30-minute onion? Yes. Yeah, 30-minute onion. Yep, that's what I would say. 30-minute resistance formed here after a nice rejection wick would be pretty nice. That would also push our 1 hour candle down. Yeah, that would look good. What's up, Ryan? Wins and losses, they're basically everything. So all the trades that I take on stream or like in the clubhouse or any of that. So the club, we have something called the clubhouse, which is basically this YouTube live stream only on Zoom. So it's like a private Zoom call where we stream all the sessions, Asian, London, and New York. So anything we take in there, anything we take off stream, it all gets kind of put on that record. That's my personal trading record that I use to collect data and stuff. And then if you would like, you can go see all the trades. Most of them are going to be tagged right here. So if you guys, this is a free journal, you guys can download it, use it for yourself if you'd like also. But you can click on all these trades and you can see them and take a look at them. And yeah, like randomly look at this one. Yeah, so this is like a fade. So this is like one of the positions that some of these guys took today. Just a straight drop down. Yeah, also feel free to join the free Discord that we have. So that one, you have a whole community in there. You also have a section called Trade of the Day. And in that is going to be all of my trades broken down, kind of explained, labeled up, and fully detailed explanations. TK's in the building. Yeah, let me show you trade of the day. Trade of the day. So this is trade of the day here. So if you come to this channel, you'll be able to see all the positions that I take. Wins, losses, break-evens, you name it. Everything's here. Nice, good explanations. Thank you, Scott. And these you can learn a whole lot from, man. These are really good for traders trying to come in and learn the system and, you know, trying to trade price action. Scott got some catching up to do, yeah? Yeah, what do you got, like 3 or 4 we got to mark up there? What's up, DS? Will we be streaming FOMC? Yes, but we're going to be doing that in the clubhouse. So if you guys are in the clubhouse, you're more than welcome to join us on that FOMC. We'll stream the press conference and we'll see if we can catch some trades together. We've had about 3 or 4 trades in the clubhouse over the last 24 hours, so it's been an eventful day. Love from Zimbabwe. Yo. How's life in Zimbabwe? How's life treating you? So look, we would have been activated here, right? If we didn't act there very quickly and in a fashionable manner for a logical reason, we would have been activated, and you know, this candle would have closed with no wick and we would have just been chilling in this range. Ideally, if I love to see this candle close bullish, and then that next one is our confirmation that we're looking for, right? A new closure below, and that should bring us downtown. Downtown. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, you also have clean buys, right? You have clean range above here for buys today. Am I live for FOMC on YouTube? No, we're going to do it in the clubhouse. If you guys aren't in the clubhouse, you guys can join the clubhouse. Just go to timetoeattrading.com and then you will you'll see the hub right here. You can sign up to the clubhouse, come hang out with us. We'll be trading Asian, London, and New York session. It's a vibe. Come catch a vibe with us. It's something like the inner circle, I would say. We've had some great conversations in the clubhouse. It'll be some really good conversations. We do a little convo. What up, Chris Tuffa? How you doing, bro? When's the merch dropping? Ah, man, to be honest, I've been so caught up with the clubhouse stuff. Yeah, I forgot all about it. I mean, not forgot about it, but, you know, put it on the back burner, made little excuses, you know, stuff like that. The merch is coming. I really trying to sink my teeth in to the right design right now. You know, it's the first drop, so I want a nice design. Oversized? Yeet. Should we make them oversized or should we make them fit? Or both? I already got the tester products. I've already got the material. But we don't have any oversized ones yet. Big and tall. Get the big and tall. Oh wow, lots of oversized, huh? Let's go. What's up, Big Fire? Yo, what up, Edson? Oversized with some skinny jeans. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You gotta rock them Japanese pants. You guys ever see those Japanese pants? Not gonna lie, I rock the Japanese pants sometimes. They're comfortable. All right, 30 closure in 3 minutes. We might be able to add our sell stops back. TK, they want the oversized. Where's Felix? Is Felix here? Felix has been busy too. So I've been busy. Felix has been busy too. The Japanese pants are extremely comfortable. Yeah, they're nice at the bottom too. W Edson. W. Econ Dre, you don't rock skinny jeans, do you? Do they even make skinny jeans for guys like you? Do they even make jeans for guys like you? Same boring songs. Hey, come on, man. It's our playlist. It's the TT soundtrack, man. You want us to spice it up a little bit? Impossible. What do we got? A minute here? Yeah, 1 minute for a 30 closure here. So we'll see how we close on the 30. What up, Green? $56. It's gotta be elastic. Ecom Dre says he's gonna play this soundtrack at his wedding. I like the songs. Sometimes when I'm trading off stream, I play the music just to feel nice and comfortable, like I'm with you guys. TT spray painted white uptowns. Those would be nice. Those would be nice. All right, what do we do here? Oh, closure back in the range. So yeah, nothing here for me for the sells. Hey, if you don't like the music, all you gotta do is hit mute, and then you just play your own music in the back. Boom, problem solved. Bam. Hit a little mute, but then you can't hear me. Maybe just put subtitles up. That's right. You actually can't hit mute, so you're forced to listen to it. Damn. Orange folder pending. Yeah, let's go see that. What time was that orange folder? 8:30? Yeah, it's not going to be anything too crazy. All came out a little higher than expected here. So that was the news that just came out, right, at 8:30? Yeah. So we'll see. We never closed below the range there on the 15. So we might go down, we might not. We had no wick at the bottom, so just going to... No wick at the top here, no wick at the bottom here. Guitar early today. Oh wow, you're right. How? Oh yeah, we started late. Yeah, 30 did close back in the range there. Yeah, it's no doubt we had a good read. We had a good read, right? And we were saying this in the clubhouse too. Like you could have a read on the market and just not have your doorway in, right? I think it was smart to delete here. That's typically our plan when there's no wick. Plus it closed above the range, so nothing else to do but to follow the plan. What are we trading? Gold. Gold and let's take a look at NASDAQ. Oh wow, look at this, he moved down there. Where's purpose? I don't know. Yeah, 1 hour looks good though. 1 hour just broke lows. Should create resistance, all that good stuff. 4 hour coming back down here now, just as anticipated. Same thing with the daily. So we'll see, man. This daily's putting up a fight. This daily's been putting up a fight. Nice, 11th hour. Let's go, bro. Up 2.5%. W. Alexandru. Oh my God. Yeah, how's Alexandru doing? My man, Alexandru. Damn. Pal's gonna give the secret hand sign. Let us know which way price is going. Yeah, can we appreciate the guitarist in that last track and the drummer? Damn. Oh wow. Coach T said, don't think about making money here. Focus on protecting what you have. Wow. That's wisdom. That's wisdom. Yeah, once you get a look at Jerome, you're like, that's that guy? Did I go to college? I did not go to college. I kind of went to entrepreneurship college. Was trained by some business owners, and I studied the subconscious mind pretty much. If there's anything I really studied in my life, it has been the subconscious mind, people, and the charts. Leadership board hasn't been updated yet. Okay, so once these guys get going, it'll get updated. They're probably just starting here for the day. Jerome, yo, Jerome coming today. Oh man, look at this nice bleeder here. Yeah, Jerome's coming in heavy today. 4 hour right back down. No wick here on that last 4 hour candle. What's up, YOLO Trader? Good to see ya. What up, Traders X? Good to see you, man. How many funded accounts have we given away to date? Man, who knows? Who knows? We've lost count, I would say. Let's just say a lot. Over 6 million. Okay, over 6 million in accounts. $6 million. SG80 still waiting. Still waiting. Yeah, BuzzBlab won. Yeah, BuzzBlab and Energy won like 3 apiece on random giveaways. Crazy, crazy. How does that happen? We'll do some giveaways here today. How about that? We'll see if we can increase the probability. Maybe we'll do like 3 accounts here, and then we'll do like 5 accounts in the clubhouse today. You know, I tried giving an account away in the clubhouse, but no one wanted it earlier. Yeah. We must get the likes up. Good point, Sandman. I like where your head's at. Yeah. If we can get 500 likes, then we'll do a YouTube giveaway. If not, we'll do all the giveaways in the clubhouse. We should be able to get 500 likes. I mean, there's probably more than 500 people here, I would assume. Bro, these are so annoying. These comments, these like robot comments are so annoying on my YouTube. Not the Prather Trader. I like his comments. But man, this AWS, oh my goodness. These guys don't stop. Relentless. All different names and accounts. How do I get rid of these guys, man? Look at this. So annoying. Crazy, crazy. We should do larger account giveaways instead of a lot of smaller ones. All right, let's do it. If we hit 1K likes, can we do FOMC here? I don't know. That's up to the clubhouse. That's up to the clubhouse. We actually did just give away. We actually gave away two 200K accounts and about $2,700. You should do a giveaway to just people in the clubhouse. All right, you see that? Diogo, don't play. I don't know, man. It's a good idea. One hour closing up here. Sandman deserves an account? He does. Sandman, message me, brother. You do deserve an account. Yeah, grind time. That's true. That's true. All right, so still no top wick here on this 15-minute candle. It's going to close here in about 1 minute. 30, 1 hour, all that closing as well in about 16 minutes here. Crazy, right, J-Mac? Crazy, crazy. Don't worry, the YouTube's gonna get some giveaways here today. Yeah, we got some giveaways. I think we got 10, maybe 10 giveaway accounts all together today. Yeah, at 500 likes. Yep. So once we get to 500 likes, we'll consider the giveaway here. We're almost there. 100, not too much more. Chicken Fibonacci's on the menu here today. Let's go. Fibonacci. Amen, Josh. Amen, brother. Love that, man. Oh, let's see here. I've noticed that successful or rich people are great at collecting data, and because I have you as a model to follow, how can I be better at collecting data? And hold on, I can't see. Benefit. I know people have different ways of retaining information. What's worked best for me? So it all depends. Are we talking about data collected on the charts, data in life? Data on the charts, I just simply use, you know, just a simple journal. That's all. Track it here, take notes of it, make sure I understand what I'm looking at, what I'm looking at when I go back to watch it. Luckily, I do have the live stream too, so I go back and track data that way. But yeah, you know, you have to. What you do with data is you collect it to create systems. So you want to try and have a system around every piece of your life, right? In a way where things become automatic. So if you have that's why you hear people, a lot of rich people or successful people have a morning routine, right? They typically get up early, they work on themselves before they work on their business. So you can have a morning routine, and then let's say you're focused on your business for the next couple hours. Like a lot of times if I need to focus, I'll put a simple little timer, boom, I need to work for an hour, no distractions, lock in, get busy, right? So, you know, make time to do that important work, that deep work, and then set yourself up with a routine for fitness. Highly recommend that. Keep your body moving, head strong. So yeah, it's just about developing those systems that you need to get to your goal. So look at your goal and say, hey, what do I want to accomplish? And if that's what I want to accomplish, then what are the things I need to do to get there on a day-to-day basis? And I just like having a couple non-negotiables and making sure I'm sticking with them. Yeah, that's true. You can use all those little hacks, like those little watches, and you can track your exercise and your diet and all that good stuff. Yanosha's back. Or just ask Green. Green will hook you up with a nice system for a workout plan. Right, Green? Chala, what's good? Go. All right, see that? Right back up there with no wick. So no wick. We see the pop back up. Let's see how the 30 closes here. We got 10 minutes on it. 30-minute closure, 1 hour closure is all coming up here. What broker do I use for futures? I use Trade08. Trade08. Charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at some charts here. We have the first one. Let's see. All right, we have gold 15-minute time frame. So daily's bearish, 4 hours also bearish, but current 4-hour candle is bullish. Okay, 4-hour high broken multiple times. Okay, entry after the candle makes a wick and flips. Range 2 breakout, manage risk, and 15 closes back below the range. Stop loss below. Yeah, nice. Yes, this worked out pretty good, right, during London. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. Pretty good. 4-hour juice box. Small runner left for FOMC if it doesn't get tapped out. Both. All right, happy either way. Let's take a look. All right, so support form, break of the high. 30 pips. Nice. Good job. Nice trade. Took a buy off that support. W. Sells taken this morning. Oh, where'd that go? Here it is. All right, so let's see here. So gold 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Closed but it's below the range. 15% in an onion. All right, sales were taken. This trade hit stop loss, but I was able to manage to get out early due to price closing back in the range. We hadn't tapped any targets on the 4-hour fade position, but we had clean traffic to the upside. Can you please explain what you would have done if you saw this price action? This was 2 a.m. Eastern. I was waiting. Oh yeah, this one right here. Yeah, so you actually had a good read on it. You know, you had a good read on the higher time frames. The daily was kind of trying to move down, the 4-hour as well. So I don't think it was bad. Maybe just wait for that closure. I think we were waiting for the closure right in the clubhouse. We put a support level right there, and we were just waiting at that point. So we had our range kind of marked off like that. So that way, if you close below there, now you've got that clean zone coming down. Now look, sometimes you're gonna miss the move if you're waiting for that closure, but that's okay, because you're only looking for your move. So if you get that nice close below there, right, now you can go ahead and pretty much fill the rest of that range with some confirmation. Yeah, so basically stayed out of the red and look to trade in the white. Yeah, that's probably all I would have done differently. Other than that, I was looking for sells there too. Everything was looking good. Yes, sir. Good trade. Good trade. Let's see here. Need a review. I'm starting posting. Okay, let's see this. Maybe this is just FOMO. I don't know. I'm trying to trade without Nick. Okay, entered on what I believe was a celery play. Okay. Chart on the left seemed a little bit choppy for buys. Maybe I should have stayed out from the buys due to the wick. Tap. Pac-Man been chewing my profits. Okay, yeah. So see the wicks here. Right, these are like rejection wicks. So when I take the celery, when it comes to the wicks, right, I'm looking to see, I want to see it like this, right, like where the bullish candle has a decent wick, right? This is your ideal perfect celery play. Decent wick there, and then a short wick, right, like a smaller wick on this candle, like this, right? And then your entry's on the break of that high there, and now you've got room to move up. Right, but you see how this looks a lot different from that. So now your entry, when it comes to this example, is right here. There's no longer a wick to fill or anything, right? So you buy a little bit too high in this case, and usually that's gonna just pull back. So that's all I would say is the idea was there, but I don't know, what do you want to call this, like the way it formed up and the way candles closed wasn't like your ideal celery play, if that makes sense. So just a little bit different in price action. This gives you like rejection vibes, right? This is more so like setting up to fill this wick and then potentially, you know, carry on to like another range. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour closure coming up. Let's see. We got what, 2 minutes? Oh, 4 minutes. 4 minutes for a closure. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. Okay, so daily. Okay, we're bearish. 4-hour bearish. Took sells after price rejected. Closed bearish on the 15-minute. Rejected 30-minute support, but due to spreads, I was unable to go BE. All right. Yeah, right here, right? Yeah, again, I think that was the same trade that Traders X sent in. So I think the closure below the range here would have been best. So you mark off a new support, you mark off a resistance here, and then you wait for closures now. So now notice how you wouldn't have really been activated on that move. You were selling right into a support level, right? And then look, once you actually did get a breakout on this candle, right there, you drove up. So yeah, I think this was like a no trade range. Yeah, that's all. Yep. GJ, huh? All right, break even. Okay, onion. All right, boom, bam. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. GJ, how's GJ doing? This is the fade that we talked about earlier. Great job. Close when that candle closed with no wick. W. I think that was all of them, right? If you guys have any charts you want to review, send them in. We can go over them and break them down. Yeah, this is a good one. No wick. Rejection zone. Nice. Oh man, Johnny Gems. Johnny Gems. Where's he at? Oh, Lele's here. We got volume coming in. Did you have a nice sleep? Yeah. Oh, no. 30 closes in 5 minutes. Yep. 30, 1 hour, all that closing up in like 2 minutes here. You're welcome, Vibes. You're welcome. Yeah, good trade. And even those sells that you guys took last night, yeah, you were probably a little early on them, but the idea was nice. You know, during London, you had Asian session come up and make that top wick, and the idea was good. It was very good. Just price action was a little choppy there. Lele trying to give a signal. Yeah, she said she got you. She said just wait on it. Just wait in the clubhouse or the Discord. Yeah, it's moving, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, so we did not close below. Again, we actually closed back above here. Yeah, this is Oanda's new 4-hour too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 30 closing night, like rejection to the downside here. Yeah, so that would be like an invalid celery, right? So like, or the 30-minute, right? So that's not really like a celery play. A celery would look like this. Like you got that candle, it should close below. And then the next one should look something like this. All right, a weaker bullish candle remaining below the range. So that don't look like that. Right, that looks like this. Two totally different scenarios. Yep. Exactly. NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, yes. Shall we sample size? Let's see if we get a bottom wick. We're gonna set a sample sized buy stop here. See that candle with no wick at the top? $36 pips away. Yeah, let's put a little line here and we'll check back. See if it works. Hey, yo, Sandman's in every chat. Damn. Let's get it. Sandman, first, last name, email address. Stage 1 or step 1, step 2. Bro's still live trading, making money from signals, not from trading. Actually, I'm giving free signals away. I don't sell signals, scoop ball. You scoop ball? Come on. Don't be such a scoop ball, bro. Like the video. Yeah, I like that one. Like the video. So yeah, we'll see. We'll come back to NASDAQ. We'll see if that actually like works out here in a little bit. I only give free signals, man. That's why you're here right now. You're here for a freebie. You're here, you're freeloading. You're freeloading. NQ, yeah, we'll go back to NQ a little bit later and check on it. Oh, Maverick's up. Maverick got motion right now. He's been dying to say that. He's been waiting to say that. 30 close doji bullish. Yeah, 30 close doji bullish. It's tough to take a buy here. Tough to take a sell here. So I like sells below, closures below, just like we've been waiting on for like the past, you know, hour or so. Yeah, for buys, let's see. For buys, this 4-hour candle is going to close, right? So we're most likely going to pull back here and not push up in the last hour. So I don't see the greatest opportunity here for buys. There's just a lot going on here. You've got resistance, more resistance, more resistance, right? But then above there, everything looks clean. So I do like buys up here. Is the leaderboard out? I wasn't out last time we checked, which was what, like a half hour ago? Oh, here it is. Can I open that? Let's open that up. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool. All right, here's the leaderboard. So TTE in the first 6 spots here, W. It's like a sea of TTE here in the top 20, which I love, man. That's amazing. There's, by the way, this is 31. There's 650-ish traders trading in this competition right now. So it's your top 31 here. Yeah, man. Nice. Nice. Top 20 looking good. Top 20 looking real good. W. So if you see your name here, congratulations. You're trading very well. You're in this competition with like 650. So to be in the top 30 is pretty impressive, man. Pretty impressive. New 4-hour candle on Oanda, yeah. Yup. Ayush, yeah, I don't know if Ayush is here. Ayush is going off. He's in 3rd place. Up 13%. Shafiq with 14%. Yeah, everyone's doing very good. Very good. It would be cool to get some more communities in here. How cool would that? You guys, you know, like the all-star games where you got like a bunch of different players representing a bunch of different teams. I think that would be cool to see a couple other like where's Green, the mod god, man? You're in like every community out there on the internet, man. Round some players up, Green. See if they want to join the competition. Yeah, let's see. Let's get some other communities in here. That'd be pretty neat. It'd be like all-star weekend. Let's go, Andy. Let's go, Andy. Let's get it. Yeah, one of the things that these competitions really show you is how much you're actually capable of. When Scott was talking about this earlier in the London session, but when you have this nonchalant mentality, right? When you're like, you know, it doesn't even matter, right? I'm just gonna follow the system. When you begin to do that, that's, believe it or not, when the results begin to come in, right? So when you have that nonchalant mentality, that's why sometimes you guys hear me say, hey, it doesn't really matter to me, you know, like probabilities are going to play out. The outcome of this trade is whatever. It seems like I don't care, but sometimes it takes that nonchalant, right? That trust in your strategy to win, you know, and not so much like over analyzing and, you know, trying to create the outcome yourself, but just plugging away trade by trade, you know, with this who cares what happens type of mentality, knowing that that system will allow you to, you know, get the results you desire. All right. Does that make sense? So that's why a lot of times you'll see people do really well on a demo account, right? But then they get to like live or something and it's just not the same. It's because they now have that psyche involved. So now that the psyche's involved, sometimes it interferes with the, you know, just like I said, nonchalant, follow the plan mentality. What's up, Storm Potato? How you feeling, man? Yeah, just continue to do what you have to do, right? If you're studying for something, that means there's something important going on. Just keep studying. You know, trading will always be here. Gotta be stoic. Yeah, gotta be stoic. Me and Austin got a side bet going. Chill. Now that you say that, I might have to hit him up. I'm surprised he didn't hit me up on that yet. What do you say, side bets? Yeah, anxiety kicks in, rationality shuts down. Yep, that's typically what happens. Happens to the best of us too, man. Happens to all of us until we learn how to govern it. You know what I mean? Once we learn how to harness it and use it to our advantage, that tends to happen, yeah. Head and shoulders on the 5 minute. Let's get it. Oh. I know you are, Buzzblab. Buzzblab's been a beast. NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. How we doing with that sample size position there? Any good? M and Q. Nothing yet. Oh, we did get a bottom wick. Yeah, so if you re-break the high now, I'd probably be interested in that. So let's see if the sample size works. Yeah, I'm really not interested in trading NASDAQ until after 9:30. But yeah, let's see if this one works. Y'all got me looking at NAS. It didn't do anything. I think I've seen like 5 people say, look at NAS. I thought it like juiced up. GC. NAS. Moving slow. What's up, TR? Welcome in, my man. Welcome in. Yes, sir, brother. NAS has great volume after. Yeah, I can't wait to be a part of it. I think early on in our first attempt at NAS, we were trading it. It was back in February too, beginning of the year, and we were also trading it pre-New York and New York open, and we were literally setting like orders at 9:30, and as the saying goes, you know, F around and find out. So we found out, and yeah. So now I like the fact that 9:30 brings a lot of volume into NASDAQ, and then we can start trading it in the afternoon sesh. Yes, exactly. Exactly. All right, man, this 1 hour looks so good, but you're not getting your closures below here yet. So I will wait patiently for this 30 closure, because I really do want to see potential sell-off here. But gotta wait. 10 to 2 p.m. is the big moves. Let's go. I'll be there. NPC in the building. Gold really respecting that resistance. Yeah, it is. Yup. Yeah, we've got some pretty strong resistance here in this overall zone. Be right back. Was NAS not profitable at 9:30? It's not that it wasn't profitable, it's just very volatile. So that's like the open of the stock exchange. So once that opens up, it's almost like a news event coming in around 9:30 there. So that's all. Let's go grind time, almost a year. Let's go. W. And it's good to have you in the elite program, man. Oh, nice, Norbin. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what time it is. Yo, I'm telling you, I live my life by trading sessions now. Melvin, you too, bro? Yo, Melvin's been at every session legit with me. Damn. Some of the clubhouse members just they don't live off regular time anymore. It's just what session are we in? Facts. This is Wakanda land, man. Everyone was wondering about the Wakanda land, far, far away. We've brought it to you. All right. 30 closure. 8 minutes. What time is it? It's time to eat, J4 Trades. It's time to eat. Half past New York. Now what time? It's a quarter to Asian. Half past New York session. My wife's gonna be like, what? What is that? Military time? Nah. TT clubhouse time. AB Mike with the bucket hat over there. Okay. Alright. Looking fly. 10 to London, babe. I'll be back. Nice, Sebastian. Let's do it, brother. Let's do it. Didn't we used to have a clock on the stream? Yeah, is the clock not there? Should be there. Above me? Somewhere up here? Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Yeah, so pretty much I'm green here on the day, right? So I'm not going to take any trades that don't line up to the T. So for me to take sells, right? I want to see this candle closing bullish is fine, right? That's not a big deal. Actually, I'd probably rather see that. But then once we get this closure below, that's when I'm going to go in for more shorts here. Yeah, until that happens, we may just bounce off this support level. Oh, you see it now? Right there, right up there. When's the next webinar? This weekend, Saturday. So if you guys are in the clubhouse, we do a webinar every single weekend. So we've done 2 already. I think those 2 were really solid webinars. This week's webinar is going to be a bit on trade management, risk management, and some of those topics. Yeah, if you guys aren't in the clubhouse and you've been trying to get in there before the webinar. Webinar is going to be lit. NAS running or about to run? Let's take a look. Let's watch NAS at 9:30, unless gold's gonna set up for us, but it doesn't look like gold's setting up. Yeah, last week we did a webinar. So we did higher time frame, lower time frame correlations. And then we did a big Q&A on it, which was really nice, really nice. So we got those in here. So all the webinars will be saved. So everyone that's in the clubhouse now, you can go watch these webinars. In case you didn't know, this is going to be the one on the 7th that we did. This will be the one on the 14th. And then we'll do one again on Saturday. So this was kind of part 1, clubhouse, higher time frame, lower time frame, correlation and all that. Taking a look at 4-hour candles, breaking them down on 15-30 minute, and then this was the Q&A. So it's kind of just like a part 2 of everything, tied it all together, and now we move on to the next concept. Yeah, when you join the clubhouse, you'll have access to all this right here, all these other channels here. Oh, nothing. Nothing. We'll see for 9:30. 9:30 you should get a blast off. Mr. Smith, good to have you here today, man. Good to have you here. Yes, yes. I would say that, but I am still, you know, still a man of the flesh, I guess. Sometimes I gotta tell myself, sinner saved by grace. No need, no need, no need. Still looking for a fade? No, I'm gonna look for a closure now. So closures below bring us downtown. We got a nice clean range here, but we're gonna need a closure at that point. So we've established a new support level. It's being held here on the 15-minute time frame as well. Notice how, right? We never took this sell because this never closed below the range. So you're bound to get a fake out if that's the case. And then look what happened. What do you know? Fake out. Right? Price moves back up. And now it's just sitting there in the range. So we really need to wait for closures below there on the 15/30 minute time frame. I like the way she moves. When does the competition end? So I think there's like 650-ish people in there right now. So they're all competing. And then the top 20 will advance to the next round by the end of the week. So I think Friday. Yeah, Friday will be the last day. And then what's going to happen is 20 will go in. Right? And then that'll be the real competition. Will be down here. So these 20 will face off in a leaderboard style, and then yeah, the top I think top 10 are going to get all prizes. Yeah. Sells on gold, once 30-minute candle, makes a top wick, and then flips. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to wait for a closure there. As of right now, you may drive up to fill this area here. 13 pips away. NAS activated. Oh, snap. So we did activate. Let's see how we do. Let's watch NAS for 9:30 here. Let's go, Buzz Blab. Let's go. Hey, yeah, man, we're doing well. TT's representing. Where was that again? Over here? Yeah. TT representing. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, top 20 all sitting 4% plus. So that's not bad, man. 4% in 3 days. Pretty good. See what you can do when you put your mind to it, when you have, again, that nonchalant mentality. You start surprising yourself. Oh, here we go, 9:30. Here we go. Yeah. 9:30, man. Will we get access to the previous webinars? Yeah. So you'll have them already. So if you come over to go into the clubhouse, you'll see this channel, webinar recordings, and then yeah, you could play them right there. Yep. Just fill that out and tell them that you're not a robot, and then yeah, you're good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Yep. Enjoy. Good study material. Nazier, downtown. Let's see what Goldie's doing here. All right, so gold, we did close bear on the 15. 30 did close bull. This is perfect. If we get a 15 closure or a 30 closure, I like the sells here. Yeah, we might fill this wick right off the rip. What up, Vic Trades? Yo. Oh damn, 19%, bro. Yo, you might as well. Yeah. No, let me not even say anything to you. Just do you, man. Just keep doing whatever you're doing. Yeah, we had the winners, by the way, from the paid challenge. Let me know if you guys want to do next challenge we do. We can go in with a couple more communities, or we could do another buy-in one. So you guys seen the winners? They got their cash yesterday or the day before. Top dog took home like almost 1,400 bucks. Second place took over 800, and third place took like 250-ish. So now that you see it's real, maybe you guys will want to do another buy-in. Last time you were being a little cheap, you know, a little skeptical. I get it, a little skeptical. Not cheap. Yeah, so if you guys want to do another buy-in one, we're trying to put money in your pockets. So never trading NASDAQ again, pre-NY. There you go. Lesson learned. W, first day. What's up, Anthony? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, man. Winner got. Now look, that was only like I think maybe 200 people were in that competition, as opposed to the free one we had almost 900, right? So that takes the pot from 2,000 to 9,000, right? So we were trying to put as much money as we can in your pocket. I didn't know Tom Cruise. Yo, Stephen B out here looking like he's about to go on Mission Impossible. Are you in a fighter jet right now, or is that just a nice car with a sunroof? Man, it looks like he's flying what was that one movie called? Maverick, right? Maverick or something? Top Gun. Yeah. Yeah, $10 I think is good. That's doable for everyone. And again, the winner gets paid. You know, the first top three guys or girls get a nice chunk of change. Ja. First top, yeah, got top 20 in your first competition. Nice, man, nice. Yeah, so you know you have 930 here. You do have a lot of volume coming in. We didn't get the closure that we wanted here, but you may go ahead and fill that wick, being that you broke the low there. Let's go ahead and give NAS a peek. Yeah, you see that? Drove right down. Downtown. Let's take a look at US 30 here as well. Oh. Yeah, these will mainly be like afternoon clubhouse pairs here because they move better. From what I've seen, they move a lot better during the afternoon session, not as much in the morning. Yeah, everything pushing down. What was S&P again? ES, right? Yeah. Yeah, everything moving down on the open. Everything moving downtown here on the open. Fed coming in today. Wiz Buddha, what you thinking, man? What you thinking? What are we thinking about the rates? Let's go, Daniel. Yeah, everything's dropping here off the open. NAS, ES, NQ, gold, US 30. Oh yeah, that's right. We had yeah, we got these green numbers here. So good for $1. Crude oil inventories comes out in about an hour, and then later on you're gonna get the big show. So that's where we're gonna get the bigger move here. Johnny Gems, man, where is he? Even Stephen B made it up. Even Stephen B was in London, made it out to New York. Stephen B, where you going, bro? That's that trader lifestyle right there. Oh, okay, okay. Coming over from ASFX to trade gold. Oh, nice. You trade gold too? Nice, man. Welcome in. Welcome, brother. Welcome, my buddy Austin. I'm going to be golfing with Austin, and some of you guys know Evan, and I believe one more guy from ASFX. I think that's next week. Yeah, next week. Yeah, so there's that wick fill. So, yeah, if we would have had the closures there, I think it would have been a lot better for us to enter. But, again, green on the day. No need to jump the gun here on things that aren't lining up. Just that wick has been filled. And now we'll see 945's coming up too. So we'll see how we do with 945. Who's coming back for FOMC later? Anyone? Yeah, Sophia. Yeah, so you would just basically on your next account that you get, you'll just email them and they'll carry over the percentage. Yep. Oh, nice. I'll be there. Nice. A lot of people coming back. Let's go. FOMC in the clubhouse? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll be there. What is the song Count My Blessings? It's called Blessings by Kid Leroy. What's your advice for so we can have a win rate more than 70%? Find a system that has an outcome where the win rate is 70% and do not deviate. So that means every day. So you can't deviate. You can't stick to the playbook and then just break it 1 or 2 days a week. That's what most traders do. So you legit can't deviate. You know, it's tough. It's not easy to stay out of trades when you know the direction. You just haven't gotten the setup. But it's required a lot of times for continuous success. Like, I had a very good feeling gold would move down here, right? But I needed a closure below. So I have to stick to my system that has that produces an outcome that I want. If I jump the gun and take this trade without the system calling for it, then I skew the numbers there, right? And typically that won't work for you. Maybe in this little situation here it will, but in most cases that won't work for you. So it'll only set you back, and that's where you bring out Mr. Pac-Man. Alright, he comes in and he just gobbles up all your profits. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Because you make these profits by sticking to the system, but then one day, maybe I'll just break it once, right? That once turns into twice, turns into 3 times, and then that unleashes Pac-Man. And he goes to work, and he takes all the money back. He comes out from the market and just eats it all back up. So give me that. Yeah, I'm gonna trade FOMC in the clubhouse. Yep. W Diogo, love it, man. Love to hear that, bro. That's amazing. Not many people can say they're doing that. Not many people can say they're doing that, Diogo. Good stuff, bro. Pac-Man not getting you anymore? W. See, that's a W. Another W. Good job, Captain. Let's go. Do I know Wix9? Yeah, I know Wix. Captain, good to see you here as always. How's Wix doing, man? He hasn't been in Asian, right? Is he doing New York now? All right, so we're still waiting on a 30 closure. So look, we got the candle we wanted, right? We got this guy to close. Now we need to wait on this one to close. And once that one closes, we determine whether or not we have enough room left in this range or not to go ahead and take positions, right? If we close somewhere up here, then we have much room here, right? But if you close somewhere down here, then you're only left with that. You know, is it worth the trade there? It might not be. So we got to see how this candle closes in about 13 minutes. Yeah. What happened to Don? Nobody knows. We don't know. We know as much as you, Dexter. Yeah, the 1 hour did make a pretty big move. You are right. Let's go. I want to check NAS here again. Yeah. Wow, bro. That's awesome. Good work, Edson. That's what we're talking about. Family victories. Family victory. That's amazing, dude. Congrats. Well deserved for you, man. It's all Gigi. Yeah, it's amazing. Imagine all the stories we haven't heard. You know, you guys are going to impact a lot of people too in life, and there's going to be a lot of stories that you don't hear of, but just know your seeds are the seeds that you plant, man, will you'll have a heavenly reward on those. Remember, store up your treasures when it comes to the heavenly treasures. Those cannot be destroyed. What do I think about the 1 hour? Taking a position off the 1 hour. On gold. Yeah, it all just depends on how much of this range we cover, right? Like if we can close up here, that's great. But if we close down here, then we don't have much room at that point. And then that's probably where you'll see a range game start until, you know, FOMC starts to range a bit. Oh, NAS. Yeah, let's look. Let's go back. Yeah, so you got 1 hour closures coming up. So you've been ranging a bit here on the 1 hour chart, right? So you've got this range. You've been ranging a bit. You did a little fake out here. So if you do close below on the 1 hour, you got some nice clean move coming down here. So yeah, you got clean range to the top and bottom. Looks like we did a fake out though. That probably activated a ton of buyers, right? Because you see the break of the high there, break of that high. So that's where that right there could be massive amounts of liquidity. So liquidity doesn't always need to be this big, you know, crazy aggressive move. It could be those slight breaks of highs that activate buyers, right? And then price drives back down. So if that was grabbed, right, if there was a X amount of buyers sitting right here, then all their stop losses are sitting right here, right? So they're all getting smoked now. So let's see if you get a closure below. You've got this clean range coming down. Oh, nice. Tamra's coming. Let's go. Yeah, I think TK, I think Green, C Melly, I believe. Wiz Buddha, I think. Big Blessings. Scott's going to try and make it out. Obviously, me, John will be here. My brother Joe. Anna will be out there. Yeah. So all you guys that are flying into Tampa, let us know. We did create a channel in the Discord for this. Just go over to, I think it was called Meetups. Right? Meetups? Didn't I see that? Could have sworn I seen something about a meetup. Am I missing it? Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, so if you guys can make it, let us know in here, and then we'll get a head count. We'll try and plan something out, something nice for the day. Let's go. Pull up on me. We'll bring you guys to ATK. We'll bring them to Eddie and Sam's. Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows nothing. What were my trades today? My trades today were right here. So took a took a buy there in Asian. So that was one trade. Then I took a sell in pre-London. So that was the other trade, a breakout. And then I took another sell a little after London open, but went into some drawdown here, came back, candle closed with no wick. I just managed to get out of there, you know, right around that area, just closed full. Yeah, so that was it for me today. Oh yeah, and then just we had one other break-even trade. I forget where that was, but there was one other trade. It just went. We went like I think like 10 pips in profit, and then just B got hit. Yeah, there's that range. So the range has been filled now. So exactly what we anticipated, but just moved here without us, without any entry signal. Nothing you could do. 15-hour flight. Sheesh. Sheesh. Later, Mr. Kraft. See you later. I think we may take this party into the clubhouse here in a few minutes. Yeah, if you guys are not in the clubhouse and you guys want to join, go to timetoeattrading.com, come over here to the clubhouse and pull up on us. We'll be there for FOMC here today. So if you want to trade live and continue trading live with us throughout the afternoon, pull up on us. Do some giveaways? Let's do some giveaways. How are we going to do these giveaways? Let's think. Nick Stewart. Let's do it off the subscriber list. Which one, TK? The email? Yeah, let's do it off the email list. It makes it much easier. Yeah. So if you guys, we'll do it in 5 minutes. If you guys aren't signed up to our email list, go to timetoeattrading.com and scroll down to the bottom and then just fill out your email here and we'll pick from there. By the way, we don't say this much, but we throw free giveaways in the emails. So some of you guys don't check your email. Check your email when you get an email from us, man. You might just have an account in there. Later, Michael. Later, later. Yeah, beautiful. Fill the range, lovely. We could have took an impulse entry there, but that was not my plan here today. Not my plan. All right, we'll give it 5 minutes, and then we will pick some winners, and then we'll get going. I dig it. I dig it. Let's do like, how about we do 3 from YouTube, 3 from Clubhouse. Just got an email a half hour ago. Yeah, check out the email we just sent you guys about the elefantes. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll give it a few minutes for those that want to sign up. Give you guys a few minutes. Elefantes. Hey, that stream is still up, by the way, so you guys are good to go. I think we made it through the clear. I'm telling you, that code word. The code word, elefantes. They missed. We dodged them. Can you show me where to enter my email? Yes, of course. So go to timetoeattrading.com. Let me link it here. So TTE, go to the website, and then once you get to the website that I just linked in the chat, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then it's going to be right here. Elefantes, yeah, exactly. Let's take a look at NASDAQ again. Oh baby, coming back up. Yeah, 30 closes above, you're good. You should be good to run this whole move up. All right, I think that should be good, right? One more minute, and then we'll pick. We're gonna do 3 25K challenge accounts. Unless I forgot who it was, but someone asked to do bigger accounts. Unless they've got some bigger accounts that they want to chip in on. Then maybe we'll get some 100Ks. Are we going to pick them randomly? Yeah, we're going to pick them from our email list. We're going to pick some numbers from the email list. All right, we ready? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Here come the numbers. All right, let's go with let's go with some numbers here. Let's go with 888. So let's take number 888 on the email list. Let's go with, let's see here. Let's do, I like eights, 8 figs. Let's do, so basically what you're trying, the number you're trying to guess is where you fall on our email list. Right? So maybe you're number 5, maybe you're number 500. We don't know. But that's the number you're trying to get. And it's sorted randomly. Yeah. All right, let's do Yanosh with the 420. Let's do 420. Let's do Let's do 55. Let's do a little bit more, TK. Let's get a little crazy, a little overboard here. They didn't yell at us last time, right? He said no comment. Last time we did like, I think last time we did like 15 accounts. Whoops.
Hey, there we go. Am I in here or what?
There he is.
Hey. Yeah, they didn't say nothing last time, so let's see what we got. How many do you want to do?
Let's do at least 5 and 5. 5 for YouTube and 5 for the clubhouse. We'll do the clubhouse one in the clubhouse. We don't have to waste YouTube's time here.
Okay, I dig it. So let me pull up the first one. Hey, this is great. That was Susanna M.
No way.
So Susanna, she's here all the time. So that's number 420. No, that was 420. So let me see who we got on. And I do sort this list random each time. So it doesn't matter when you signed up or not. Let's scroll down. Yeah, that's awesome. Is she in here right now?
It just so happens that she's a clubhouse member. Funny. See,
All
even when you're a clubhouse member, you start winning in the YouTube free giveaways.
All right, so 888, we got Cameron W.
Cameron W.
Don't worry, I'll shoot you guys an email, so you'll get some info from us. Well, let's get some more numbers, Nick. What's another number you want?
Let's do 750. Let's do 750.
All right, let's see who's sitting on the 750.
Oh.
All right, so this one I only got an email for, but it's gonna be A George Ja. A George Ja.
George
So
Ja.
that's the beginning of your email. Let's go.
All right, W. Let's do 50. Let's do 50.
All right, he's getting into the low ones. Let's see. I'm gonna wear out the scroll wheel on my mouse.
Oh damn, man was up at like 600 or 400.
All right, so you said number 50. We got Rommel G. So you'll be getting an email from us, Rommel. Rommel, R-O-M-M-E-L. Let's go.
W. Let's do. We did 50 already. Let's do 22.
22. Ooh, don't even have to scroll very far. I love it. Hey, I think I see this guy in the chat. Diego S.
Diogo. Nah.
Diego? Oh, we'll see if it's the same one.
Diego or Diogo? There's a big difference. It's like a closure above or no closure. It's a big...
Diego, sorry, Diego. Oh no, all right. So we got 5. That's 5 from YouTube. You want to take the rest of them to the clubhouse?
Yeah, let's do one more for YouTube though, because Susanna was in the clubhouse. One more,
all right.
But we won't count that.
All right, that's fair. Okay, cool.
Let's pick one more number.
Who's ready?
Or 2 more numbers. Let's do 69.
Do something big. Do something big for the last one, over 1,000.
All right, let's do 69 for this one.
Okay, one sec. Who's on 69?
Y'all
Hey,
some
right here.
fools, man. Y'all some fools. Y'all funny.
So this one's 69 is Rohit P.
Who?
Rohit P.
All right.
So there we are. So hopefully we see y'all in there.
All right, we'll do one more. You want to pick a big number?
Yeah, something over 1,000.
Let's do
Under 2,000.
Let's do 1,300 even.
Ooh, all right. Where are you? All right, 13. I just okay. Sorry, it scrolled me back to the top. Excel for the lose. Let's see. So 1,300 even. Just got an email, but it's Dream for All. So your email is Dream for All.
Oh, nice. Dream for all, you've won.
You'll be getting an email from us soon. Woo-hoo.
W. And look, I even did it without even making you guys like it for 500. So if you guys can give the stream a like, that'd be great. Yeah.
Can I just delete this list?
No,
I'm just kidding.
Don't play me now, chat. Don't play me now. Just leave me hanging without that 500. I did my part.
All right. So, hey, if I called your name or your email address, I will send you an email out in a little while and get a little bit more information from you, submit it for your accounts, and usually get them same day or first thing the next day. So you guys should be able to trade on those this week.
Yeah, you should have them today actually.
Yeah, usually you get it today.
W. Maybe on Friday. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, on Friday we'll do another big giveaway. We'll pick from the we'll do a fun one from the chat too. We'll try and pop like 10 accounts from the live chat. Yeah,
all right, let's go.
That way we can give people who are here an account too. So be here Friday. If you were gonna miss any stream, it would have been today's stream. Would be the best one to miss. But don't miss any streams this week. We'll do a big giveaway on Friday. And then tomorrow should be good. You know, we'll have some residue off of FOMC here, so that should be fun. Clubhouse members, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Everyone else, I think we call it a day here. This candle closed at the bottom of the range, so let's just wait now. You may get a bit of a range as we get ready for the Fed to come in and speak here. So that's probably what I'll be waiting on, is just Papa Powell to come in and just say and just stir the market up. So yeah, that's what I'll wait for. Is Chala still here? Chala? Yay, nay? Yeah, no? He's here. All right, Chala, this one's for you, brother. On the way out. Chat, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Big blessings on the way out. TK, you the man, bro. I'll see you in the clubhouse.
Thanks for having me, man.
All right, man.
See you
Chala,
soon.
this outro's for you, brother. Hope you guys have a great day. Everyone else, we will see you in the clubhouse in a few minutes. And I'm over and out, chat. Congrats on the giveaways. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't visit. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped, now we're planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. This will pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced, honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. They be so insane, talking about our change, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big, now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game, no questions, boy, that's it. I wake up, I swear to God. Stressing every night, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. probably mention. There's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my business. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all that hate, it don't work. We got the platinum. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing every night. I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low, low, low. I do not know, no, no. It's what I want, want, want. So got me low, low, low. I've been on the low, low, low. I do not know, no, no. Just what I want, want, want. So got me low, low, low.
Hey, God Twain, I'm doing well. Hey, I'm doing well. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in the cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Pick up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have cheesy inside of the sneakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably was gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God Twing made me the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Down south with the back of fields. When you coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mug, cause you walk through it, check my heels. My God gon' order my steps. You see, He taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place, wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't go, and everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then He filled it up cause He's steady cooking. Defeated death and He gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, He cleaned it up. Now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking nexus to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then He met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and He filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks in need, and that's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing